The Economic Times Smart Factory Summit 2023.
Smart manufacturing and digitalization is one of the topics which is very close to my heart. So good to be here.
A lot of education from this summit, across industry knowledge.
Warm welcome to the second edition of the Economic Times Smart Factory Summit.
If you're talking about future, I think incredibly what we need to do as manufacturers is to talk about future of skill. If we want to manufacture smart way, I think the end game again needs to be being more sustainable and competitive.
It is only excellence which can drive us to the global stage. One of the objectives of launching the PLI schemes in the automobile is to make India a global automotive hub.
As we continue this journey towards a higher future, let us embrace Industry 4 and data-driven approach to solidify our leadership and meet global standards.
This Industry 4.0 came, there is a major focus on how to improve the quality, cost and delivery using low-cost automation.
Without the connect with the businesses and the use cases, the digital transformation is not going to be sustainable.
AI/ML is actually giving us an opportunity to look back and going to take a right decision, because we are also going to be working very closely in the regulatory framework, wherein we have to, on top of the compliance, we need to have a traceability, we need to have the safety and the efficacy.
We are all in exciting times. We have this challenge of making ourselves more competitive, and on the other side, building capability around sustainability and digitization, which would really take the country to the next stage.
The problem we are trying to solve is of complexity. Establishing a connection between digitalization and the problem we are trying to solve, in my opinion, is very, very important.
Ever since the Industry 4.0 framework was launched, it gave us a very comprehensive framework to combine technology with the right processes as well.
It is a full house over here, so congratulations. The topic is so topical, so to say, right? Future of manufacturing.